The year is 2025. The world watches the sky. A relic from the Cold War is about to return to Earth. Cosmos 482, a Soviet spacecraft, is nearing the end of its unplanned journey. Launched in 1972, Cosmos 482 was meant to explore Venus. It was part of the Soviet Union's ambitious program to study our planetary neighbors. The mission was a secret. The world knew little about the Soviet space program. Cosmos 482 was a sophisticated machine for its time. It carried instruments to analyze the Venusian atmosphere. It also had a lander designed to withstand the harsh conditions on the planet's surface. The mission held great promise for Soviet scientists. They hoped to unlock the secrets of this mysterious world. But fate had other plans for Cosmos 482. A malfunction during launch would doom the mission to failure. Instead of Venus, Cosmos 482 became trapped in Earth's orbit. It has remained there for over 5 decades. Cosmos 482 was a Venera-type spacecraft. These were designed specifically for Venus exploration. The spacecraft consisted of 2 main parts, an orbiter and a lander. The orbiter would remain in orbit around Venus. The lander would descend to the surface. The lander was a robust capsule. It was built to withstand the extreme heat and pressure of the Venusian atmosphere. The failure occurred during the launch. The rocket carrying Cosmos 482 malfunctioned. It failed to reach the necessary velocity to escape Earth's gravity. The spacecraft was stranded in a highly elliptical orbit around our planet. The dream of reaching Venus was shattered. Cosmos 482 became a silent sentinel circling Earth year after year. It was a reminder of the triumphs and failures of space exploration. For decades, Cosmos 482 has been a piece of space debris. It silently circled Earth, largely forgotten. But Earth's gravity is relentless. It pulls on everything in space, even the smallest objects. Over time, Cosmos 482's orbit has been slowly decaying. This means that it has been gradually losing altitude. The reason for this decay is atmospheric drag. Even at high altitudes, there are still traces of Earth's atmosphere. These traces of air create friction. This friction slows down objects in orbit. For decades, this drag was negligible for Cosmos 482. But as the spacecraft drifted lower, the drag increased. This accelerated its descent towards Earth. The re-entry of Cosmos 482 is not unexpected. Scientists have been tracking its decaying orbit for many years. What is uncertain is where and when it will re-enter. Section 4. The uncertain descent. Predicting the exact re-entry point of space debris is, well, a complex task. It is influenced by many factors. These include the density of the atmosphere, the shape and size of the object, and even solar activity. In the case of Cosmos 482, the uncertainty is compounded by its age. The spacecraft is a relic of 1970s technology. Its exact mass and composition are not fully known. Despite these challenges, scientists have been able to narrow down the potential re-entry zone. It is a large band around the Earth's equator. Most of this zone is covered by ocean. This reduces the risk of the spacecraft causing damage on the ground. However, there is still a small chance that Cosmos 482 could land on inhabited land. Section 5. Lessons from orbit. The re-entry of Cosmos 482 is a reminder of the enduring legacy of space exploration. It is also a stark reminder of the growing problem of space debris. Decades of launches have left Earth's orbit littered with defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments of past missions. This debris poses a significant hazard to operational spacecraft and future space endeavors. The re-entry of Cosmos 482, while captivating, serves as a potent reminder of humanity's impact on the cosmos. As we venture further into the final frontier, we must be mindful of our responsibility to be good stewards of space. The future of space exploration, and indeed our own safety, depends on it. Cosmos 482 will re-enter the atmosphere. When it does, it will be a spectacle, but it is also a call to action. We must find ways to clean up our act in space. The future of space exploration depends on it.